Hello guys, welcome back to another quick recipe. Today I'm going to make some walnut honeycomb. I've got two pans on the stove. Pan 1, I've got 200 grams of crushed walnuts. I'm just going to heat them through till they become warm. You can either do this in the oven or on top of the stove. In pan 2, I've got 300 grams of caster sugar, 150 grams of honey. I'm just going to let it mix and bubble until all the sugar is dissolved. And I've also got to one side 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda. Once the sugar and honey is mixed and the sugar is dissolved, be very careful, it's going to be very hot. Add the walnuts into the pan. Keep stirring till the walnuts and the sugar combines and the sugar starts to go golden brown. Once the sugar mix starts bubbling, you're just going to add the bicarbonate of soda. With honeycomb you need to be very quick, otherwise it will burn instantly, and you need to be very careful. Right, so I'm just going to add the bicarbonate of soda. I'm just going to mix it till it starts to grow in size and bubble up. Just be very careful and not burn the honeycomb. And I'm just going to quickly pour it into a lined dish. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to fiddle with it, not going to move it. I'm just going to leave it till it fully sets, and it'll keep its shape as much as possible. It will drop in size, so you don't have to worry about it. Once it's done, you can just break it up, serve it with dessert or just on its own. Very nice little treat.